Good morning everyone. Now we are looking lesson 1 our family subject social science standard 3. So first one family. What is family? Family is group of individuals get together in our house. Family is group of individuals get together in our house. It is called family. Next one learning objectives. Learning objectives. What you are learning about this lesson? What you are learning about this lesson? So first one, know about the family. Second one, understand the relationship of family members. Third one, know about the types of family. Fourth one, difference between relation and society. Fifth one, understand that family gives feeling of security. Next one, our family. Our family means father, mother and children. Other close relations live together in a family. Father, mother and children, other close relations live together in a family. Next one, society. What is mean by society? You see this picture. So first one, individuals. Individuals means father and mother. Next one, family, grandparent, father and mother and children. Next one, society. So what is meaning of this picture? Individuals together make a family. Individuals together make a family and family, many family together make a society. Individuals together make a family and many family together make a society. Next one, people with diversity in language, culture and habits live all over the world in families. So worldwide family. So you see this picture, the whole world, the different kind of languages, culture and habit. First you see the pictures, Indian family, Mexican family, Chinese family, African family, Scottish family, Russian family, Japanese family and Arab family. So the whole world, the different kind of languages, culture and habits. Next one, relations. Two types of relations here. So first one, maternal relations. Second one, paternal relations. So first one, maternal relations. Second one, paternal relations. So maternal relations. What is mean by maternal relations? So maternal relations, mother relations. So people who are related through our mother are called maternal relations. People who are related through our mother are called maternal relations. Next one, paternal relations. This is father relations. So people who are related through our father are called paternal relations. People who are related through our father are called paternal relations. Next one, types of family. So three types of family here. So first one, small family. Next, small family or nuclear family. Second one, large family or extended family. Third one, joint family. So coming to small family or nuclear family. So what is mean by small family or nuclear family? Consists of a mother, father and child and children is called nuclear family or small family. Consists of a mother, father and child and children is called nuclear family or small family. Advantages of small family, you know children, advantages of small family or nuclear family. So nuclear family are more responsible. Next one, nuclear family provide more privacy. Next one, nuclear family have less financial needs. So this is called advantage. This is also advantages of nuclear family. Next one, extended family or large family. Extended family or large family. On extended family may include grandmothers, grandfathers, and aunties, uncles, and other relatives in addition to parents and children is called extended family or large family. Advantages of large family or extended family. So you always have support. You can do any work faster. The holidays are more festivals. So this is advantages of large family. Next one, joint family. The term joint family defines a family that extends beyond the nuclear family. It consists of grandparents and uncles and cousins all living nearby or in a same household. It is called joint family. So another one is 2 or 3 generations. Another one is 2 or 3 generations live together. This type of family is called joint family. 2 or 3 generations live together. This type of family is called joint family. Advantages of joint family. Joint families are more wealthy as more earners in place. Next one, more affection and love between family members. Next one, special values of the family. Special values of the family. So first one, each family fulfill our basic needs like food, dress and shelter. So any family first fulfill our basic needs like food, dress and shelter. Next one, family is like a beginning school for the development of physical, mental and moral growth of a person. So third one, there are several values that bind the family members together. This is called special value of the family. Next one, such as value, sharing, affection, protection and respect. So what is mean by sharing? What is sharing? Sharing means we need to share and live happily our family, parent to teach the children about sharing. So we need to share and live happily our family, parent to teach the children about sharing. Next one, affection. What is affection? It is like love. So this is affection. Next one, protection. So each family members protect each other. Each family members protect each other. Next one, respect. In a family, we need to respect each other. We give elder and younger. Next one, unity of the family. What is mean by unity of the family? It is good to work together than to do it alone. It is good to work together than to do it alone. This way workload will be reduced and relations will be strengthened. This will help with the unity of the family. So another point is unity is very important every life. Unity is very important every life. We have to face lot of problem and lot of competition unless you have is strong unity and good relations and strong cooperation between the family members. We cannot win anything. So we can success anywhere. That is why family relations. So strong unity is the family very much important. So strong unity is the family very much important. So I tell the 2 points. So first point, elder just like a role model of kids. So elder just like a role model of kids to have a strong relationship between in the family members. So small gathering is must. Small gathering is must. This type of unity. This type is unity of the family. Next one, our relations. Our relations. So first point, apart from our family members, distance relation to come to our house, all the members meet during family festivals. So dear students, so any one house take some relations, someone relation, somebody coming your house. So what we'll do at the time? So student first tell welcome, please sit here. So what you want? If you want tea, coffee, anything you ask them. So second point, when they come to our house, we should welcome them. So we should talk with them and help them with their needs. This is the way to respect them. Next one, hospitality towards guest is the best value among Tamilian, strengthen our relationship. Hospitality towards the guest is the best value among Tamilian, strengthen our relationship. Next one, outsiders. Apart from our relations, other people come to our house. Many outsiders like, for example, milkman, vegetable vendors and cylinder supplier also come. So we must behave properly with them also. So apart from our relations, other people come to our house. Many outsiders like, for example, milkman, vegetable vendors and cylinder supplier also come. So we must behave properly with them also. Next one, neighbors. Many families live near our home. So dear students, many families live near our home. We call them neighbors. So it is good to keep coordinated relations with them. So when needed, we must help each other. This value ensure our safety. So for example, take any one family, making any problem. So the neighbors, all neighbors support you. So it is the neighbors, it is good to keep coordinated relations with them. So when needed, we must help each other. This value ensure our safety. Next one, budget of the family. So budget, each family budget is very important. Income and expenditure. So first one, income and expenditure is important for every family, any family. So we must spend according to our income. So basic needs should be fulfilled first. So every family first basic needs fulfilled. So next one, we just act according to the budget system. So first we must act according to the budget system. Next one, simplicity is the best policy to be economical in our life. So simplicity is the best policy to be economical in our lives. This is budget of the family. Thank you.